Hey guys, today we're in the showroom and we wanted to talk to you about how do you know if you have enough abrasive in your machine. A lot of times in the plastic cabinets, even some of the metal cabinets, with every machine you're going to receive this small little beaker. It's a 100 milliliter beaker. You're going to turn the pressure off on your machine. You're going to fill it up as high as you can get it, and then you're going to literally set this to the side and allow the abrasive to settle. It should settle down to about 20 milliliters because that makes it 20% of abrasive to water. So this is how we're going to test abrasive in this machine. So as you can imagine, it's pretty difficult to blast the slurry into this cup and get it filled up as far as you can. So what you want to do is kind of cup your hand around the top of the cup and just like I said, get it filled as much as you can. I'm a little bit short, but it's still working out. The abrasive is settling. It's going to show us how much abrasive is in here. It'll tell us if we're low, we need to add some. If we've got too much, we may want to dip some out. So if you need to add abrasive, let's do it in 5-pound increments. That way you can add the abrasive, check the ratio, and make sure that you're not putting too much in there, because if there is too much, it may bog down your pump. So if you guys have any questions about how to check your abrasive or any applications, give us a call today at 828-202-5563. Thank you so much.